Beanie has achieved a monumental milestone by selling out their concert at the iconic OVO Arena Wembley in London on May 25th, 2025, last Sunday. The OVO Arena Wembley, with a seating capacity of 12,500, witnessed an overwhelming demand for tickets. Reports indicated that only 647 tickets remained 2 days before the concert, reflecting a 94.64% sale rate. The remaining tickets were swiftly purchased, culminating in a complete sellout by the day of the event. Beanie captivated the audience with dynamic performances of their hit songs.
Grabe yung energy niyo mga kababayan. Yes, grabe, lagi kami nandyan. Para sa inyong lahat, sa pinagdaanan niyo, lahat ng yan, we can relate to all of you. If you feel sad, homesick, and you want to feel better, you can always come to our universe, the Beaniverse. Everyone is welcome to the Beaniverse! I can guarantee you na mapapag-good vibes kayo dyan because our Beaniverse will give you different emotions. Yes, right? Tingnan natin yung mga nakalagay sa mga ano nila. Okay, anong emotions yan? Your banners! Yes, let's read them! Listening to your music makes us feel home. Thank you po. Okay, complete my heart.
Send flying kiss now, socks. Socks and flying kiss now.
Go. Sheena, can you say mad thing in it? What? Mad thing in it? What? Is it right? In it? Yan. Ano sabi mo? Mad thing in it? Mad thing. Mad thing in it? Mad thing. Ang sobrang makinit? Sobrang init? Joanna, gnarly daw.
Wait lang, mag-A muna tayo. Mag-A-check muna tayo. Tignan natin yung energy nila.
Ito muna.
O sige, right side muna. Mag-right side tayo with left. And syempre yung mga nasa likod. Yes, and ito, syempre ito, last to. Itong nasa ano. Okay. From the right corner, make some noise! Say it! Ay, nagtira pa ng Jollibee. Oh, wow! So guys, let's move on to the left side. I think they have something to say. Ay, parang iba lang. I think on. Is that on? Are you ready? I'm gonna count, okay? 1, 2, 3, say it!
Sa likod naman, itong row na to, huwag kayong sumali ha, iba yung ano nyo, category. Sa likod, after 3, okay, say A! 1, 2, 3! Cute! Parang mga dilis. Parang mga dilis. Okay, right side naman, ang nasa likod. Mga short. Okay. Right side, likod! A! A! Ito naman harap. Ewan ko kayo na pati naghihintay eh. After 3A, okay? 1, 2, 3! Okay. Okay, what about everyone? Sakit ka magpahinga. Huwag kang susuko at magpatalo. Ano mang pagsubok ng mundo. Di ba yan ang puso, lakasan ang loob, lumingalan ang loob.
This sold-out concert in London signifies BINI's expanding global footprint. Their successful performances abroad, including a notable show in Dubai, demonstrate their ability to connect with international audiences and showcase Filipino talent on a world stage. Their journey reflects a promising trajectory for P-pop on the global music scene.